Hey everybody, it's your boy Odin from Host.Promo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete files in Git. Okay, so we have a Git repository here. If we do Git status, we are on the branch master and we have nothing to commit. The working tree is clean. Okay, now if we look at our files, say for example we want to remove test09, all we have to do is git rm and then test09, which is the file name. Now if we do git status, you can see that we have this file deleted. However, we still need to commit that file. So we're just going to go ahead and say deleted file 09 because delete test 09 because we don't need it. Alright. Now I want to show you guys something else too. So for example, that was to remove a file that's already been committed and added to the repository. But for example, let's make a directory called haha, and in haha we will do blah.txt, and now when we do git status, we have this haha folder with that file inside of it. If we want to get rid of the folder and the file, basically any folders and files, then we can just do this if they haven't been already committed. Git clean, and then -d is for directory, and then the F just does a force it. So now we do that and says removing haha, and you can see if we do git status, we no longer have that haha folder or that file in there. Okay, so if you want to delete a file that is already part of the Git repository, then I recommend doing it like this: git rm file name. However, if you want to delete some files and folders that haven't been committed yet, then you can just do this. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day. Peace out.